Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, the prodigal son called Yo-Yo-Yo. This Yo-Yo-Yo, there is more to this matter. There is more to what we know. But I know say the truth go come aside. Now time it go take. The whole truth of this matter, we never still know. If we think that we've heard it all, we've not heard it all and we've not seen it all. They did Father's Day and Yo-Yo-Yo did not celebrate his father. He not even send message privately. I'm not talking about publicly. You know, say that one way that they post for social media. Now to appreciate the person. But normally they always send private message without posting it on social media. But the information we dey hear now say the way you not post the papa publicly, now so you not post the papa, now so you not send the papa message privately. Some people reached out to him, some of his family members reached out to him, and they called him a prodigal son. They called him a prodigal son. Tell you say you. Do you know that yesterday was Father Day? Now you say no. Now they ask and say, did you celebrate your father? He not talk. Now they tell you say, did you celebrate your father? You not talk. They say this is cousin way call and tell and say you are a bad person. Now this is cousin way call and tell and say you not be better person. Your papa will sacrifice everything for you. You will be say if you dey speak English today, now your papa. You will say you won't go learn trade for Nisha market. Your papa beat sense. Your papa gbas sense enter your head. Make you forgo school. Different sacrifices what your papa do for you. Wetin your papa spend for you, not spend for the other children. Because from one problem to another, now you dey give your papa. Even if the rest children did not celebrate their father, you should be the last person that will not celebrate your father. So you feel stay Father's Day, you not celebrate your papa. Now your cousin tell you say, they talk about the one who na they post for social media. Because that social media now just to show say una love the person or una they create una content. But privately, say privately, you not celebrate your father. Why? My lovely fans, you not talk. Your cousin got tell and say, you know fit celebrate your father after all that man did for you. The cousin can't tell you say you. If you be say you see they breathe the hair today, now your papa your papa. We all know how your papa stand for you, for your back. By this time, therefore, don't break you like pieces. You dey call yourself the Lion of the Judah of the Lion of the Judah of the Lion. You dey call yourself the Rock and the Stone. Now the cousin tell and say, just pray make your papa live long. If anything happen to your papa, now go you see. Your father is your pillar. That's a man that have gone different places just for you to breathe air. Your Father's Day, you couldn't even send a message. Just hold your phone, press and send message. You couldn't send a message to your father. Now the cousin could tell and say, what a shame. Now the cousin could tell and say, you are a shame to fatherhood. Who say make this cousin open mouth talk that word? You know what they happen. You open mouth. My people, make una carry share, carry joko. Make una come see the man who na dey drag. Very soon now, me I no go dey drag you again. Because be like say na Christmas. Now person dey drag. How person dey follow person wey head not correct. They fight for street. Now be say the person wey dey fight the person head self not correct. The person self head not correct. Because at this point, there is nothing you can tell me this my head not correct. Now your child now reply because they say, whether his children celebrate am. Hey, He say whether his children celebrate am, if papa dey find one celebrate am, not be person wey pikin celebrate, the papa go still celebrate the papa. This man is either his head no correct or this man is a pure narcissist. You say he can't celebrate his father. Celebrate his father as for what? He can't celebrate him. Never. Celebrate his papa to do with him. His children celebrate him. He see children will celebrate him. Now because they say not be children they pack full his house or you for them. Wait to do all those one. Hand they pay them. I been mad they pay them to wish you happy Father's Day. They not get hand where they'll write you. Not be those one be the children where they train. Which one be your children did not celebrate you? If your children not celebrate you, did you ask yourself why? You say sure, he ask himself why. He say he sit down, he ask himself why. Because he dey look his phone. He can't look and say, if anybody not celebrate him, at least Daniela go celebrate him. Because he no say Kai, he and that one no dey cross the same road. At least Daniela go celebrate him. He say wait throughout the day. Say no see one message from any of them. Say now you want make him celebrate your papa. Who celebrate him? Who celebrate him? He say he sit down reason now well. Say reason now. The reason why make your children know they celebrate him. He say na your papa. He say na your papa na he make your own children know they celebrate him. So why will he celebrate such a man? Why will he celebrate such a man? Hey, he say a man that has brought in so much pains. A man that has brought in so much, a man that destroyed his life. He tell his cousin, say make his cousin buy wetin dey talk. Make his cousin not dey call her, they tell her say she is a prodigal son. He should be ashamed of himself. He say wetin he want shame for? You say not get shame. Ha! He say not get shame. He say as long as his papa never get shame, he not get shame. He say by the time his papa shame, don't shame his papa, he go get shame. You say papa never get shame. He say no be papa still they come out, still they waka, they do everything freely. But na him they drag. He say who put him for where they so? Not be the same papa where you say me go celebrate. He marry me Edochie out of love. He not marry me Edochie because of anything. He say by the time your own father carry you sit down, begin to advise you, do it like this, do it like that. Will you say no? Somebody you call your father, you will believe that man will wish you well. But instead, that man lead you astray. When they see say the thing not favor them, they call you say you are a prodigal son. You tell the cousin. Say my cousin not shook mouth for waiting no no. Me not shook mouth. He say we are in day to day, the position we dey for life today. He say na papa put am. He say so anything we like him will do. He say na him make am dey overdo, make he pain him papa well. He say look at his life. See the way that they drag am. Everybody they talk everything against him. Was he like this? Now me Edochie marry am. Was he like this? He say after the papa do advise and finish, put am for this situation. Everybody come wash hand. Leave am only one use the head. They carry load. And you want it to celebrate that man. You say no go ever celebrate your papa. Say now pains now go they give the old man. Hey, Chineke. He say now pains now go they give him. Say papa never see anything. Say this social media ain't go twist am for your papa. Say go turn story for your papa. Say papa go sit down, go they regret the day we call am. Wait, scatter a marriage for am. Say na papa scatter a marriage. Na papa destroy life. Na papa destroy future. You say remember. You remember one Nollywood actor. I don't want to call the name. He said this Nollywood actor, now old person for the Nollywood. He said when he just rise, when he start to the rain, he said that Nollywood actor call and say, beware of your family. They are jealous of you. They are jealous of your success. Trust no member, no one from your family. They will betray you. He said he not believe that person because they were so close. He say now when he eye don clear so, now he could remember that word wey they tell him. He said they say the person that will betray you, somebody so close, somebody that is so close to you. He said, wait, you know, say my papa be that person. He said, no, say my papa be that person wey won't betray him. He said, see as the father betrayed him, destroyed his life. He said, papa won't tell and say, no, say, now so your future go end. You know, when you start dividing husband and wife, what will it lead to? Is it not divorce? He said, then why the father come dey shock when they say, me, Edochie bring divorce paper? When they say, no, when they do everything to stop the divorce. Say, die, papa. Say, papa go say, no, divorce not go take place. It not go happen. It not go happen, go do this, he go do that. He say, after papa don't destroy his home, they wait for Happy Father's Day. He say, may papa go buy fowl and chicken. Make it dey train them. If you do Father's Day, make it pack the come out, make they shout. Cuckoo, they greet them for them. He say, papa never see anything, no. He say, for this social media, he say, go cause disaster until papa use shame enter us. He say, papa know what he do now. Say, papa know what he do. He say, to say, papa no know what he do. He say, papa for don't boldly come outside, come talk about him. Say, but the father no fit talk because the father no say if he reply, everywhere go scatter. Say, father that can destroy the home of his son. Say, now everybody they say, me Edochie is a good woman, me Edochie is a good woman. He say, before una no say na good woman, before una destroy marriage. He say, na him make God, they make all the brothers' marriage they scatter. He say, as he scatter, he say, none of them go stand. He say, now so his brother Leo come outside and they say, my wife, my family, a happy marriage. He say, marriage will go so scatter. Now see why I tell una say, it can't be like, I don't drag this man again, because me, I don't know whether this my head correct. He say, Leo marriage go scatter. He say, all of them. He say, grandpapa never see anything. He say, all grandpapa children marriage go scatter. He say, all of them will come meet her for Enugu there. He say, all of them will come meet her for Enugu. So come sit down with her for Enugu. He say, grandpapa never see anything. He say, now only two don't go down. I say, everybody must go. Say, Leo go dey post my lovely family. He say, me Leo dey wait. Say, that thing wey touch and will touch Leo. He say, none of them go escape. I say, all of them must divorce. Yo. Is this jealousy or your head not correct? Because you are speaking out of pains. You know me say your own no work, other people no go work. Now you use your hand to scatter your marriage like where fowl dey find food. Which one come concern Leo for inside? He say Leo marriage no go last, go scatter. He say all of the marriage go scatter. He say all of them will be the same, equal for grandpapa eye. He say my son is a director here and gas. My son is, he say no exist again. He say all of them will come carry one room for their papa house. As the papa no let waiting him choose last hour. As long as the marriage no stand, he say as long as the marriage no last, the marriage scatter. He say all the brothers' marriage go scatter. He say even his sister, he say all of them. So all of them will go back to that house. All of them will go back. Say mama go ready to bring the pot waiting they cook for them. Me mama do me bring her come aside. Because their house go so full. He say their house go so full. Say make the cousin just leave her alone. May not try and they tell her say you did not celebrate your father. Say because he dey post am for birthday and the grandpapa they feel say it will know. People they call her now say lion born goat. He say how sure are they in that ways? Not be the same lion Pascatai family. Was he not happily married? He say thank God say he come out, come talk and come out too. Now you come dey defend that interview now. He said thank God say he come out. He still gets the video. When he take go interview, when he take praise me Edochie. When he take talk good of me Edochie. So he say get another video again. When he still take grant interview about me Edochie. When he take talk good of me Edochie. He say no say na jealousy, na papa dey jealous. Say no whether papa won't marry me. Say no. Say just imagine now. They tell papa say dissolve marriage. You not agree dissolve. The traditional one, don't make everybody go separate way. Say grandpapa no dey agree. Say because grandpapa I don't dey target me Edochie. Say grandpapa I don't dey target and say because he see no reason why they will ask him to scatter, why they will help him to scatter his marriage. Now after the marriage don't scatter, the same woman would not say e no good, e no good. That same woman now they call good person. Hey, wonder shall never end though. They say na make you not celebrate your papa. He say make papa cry. Say that one not concern her. As long as your papa get conscious, this scatter a marriage. Wonder shall never end, my people. What do you guys think? Don't you think this man is going kilometers? Or there is truth in what you is saying? Me, I know they believe you again. No. You na camellia. If you see green, go green. If you see white, go white. So to believe you, be like say person believes say Nigeria economic will better in next 2 years. Now so it be. So my lovely fans, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.